Hey friends, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of the 2025 Bennington 25QX with the sport arch and swingback seating arrangement. This boat does have our ESP tri-tune package on it, powered by a MERCURY 400 horsepower V10 VDO with power steering. This is the new Gemini Black. Probably over video it's not showing, but it has a hint of tasteful metallic in it. Just very subtle, just enough to make it pop. Come around, let me show you some of my favorite features on this boat. So back here on the swim platform of the boat, this one does have the extended swim platform to give you plenty of room to be able to jump or just maneuver on the back of the boat. Of course, we've got options like our removable American flag. The swing back seat here makes a nice reversible lounging area with cup holders and stereo remote. This is the 400 horsepower V10 VDO I was telling you about. This boat's equipped with the all-new lily pad cable-assisted motor, so no more having to get on your knees and bend over to try to pull a heavy ladder out of the water. This thing comes up effortlessly. Coming into the boat, we do have the removable ski pylon for all your water sports needs. And in the bow of the boat, we have two nice forward chase loungers with flip-up cup holders and armrests, removable cup holders that you can place anywhere throughout the boat. This boat does have our sport upholstery, which brings you the Rockford Fosgate speakers up to the center of the boat, along with some additional charging ports and a wireless charging port built inside the armrest. This is the platinum and carbon color accent with the grano platinum flooring. This boat does have the cladded sport arch with an additional set of tower speakers. This is press button electric tower for lowering it down to get under low clearance bridges or your dock. We have the wraparound L-shaped seat with the rear swing back. This swing back seat can either face interior or exterior, or the backrest can fold completely flat down inside to make a huge sun pad with an additional pop-up backrest at the very stern of the boat. For 2025, this boat has Bennington's brand new dash. This is Bennington's Vivid Dash. It comes standard with an elevated platform, a 12-inch center screen, a 7-inch touchscreen for all your boat controls, and a 12-inch GPS chart plotter optional to the right-hand side. Really excited to show you this boat and all the new features in person. Please come by and see us at MarineMax in Greenville.